guys, it's your girl Sammie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for this week's video, as you read by the title, I'm going to be unboxing some of the, well actually all of the BTS Funko Pops. They are so cute. I finally completed them all today. I was just missing Yongki, Jungkook, Jin, and Taehyun. So before we get started, before we get on with the unboxing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box to know when I post every Friday. Now let's get on to the video. So since it is a BTS video, I think I should just go all out. I'm gonna wear my Tata headband. I look weird. I think I look weird because my hair is up, but you know, whatever. For the sake of this video, for the sake of BTS. There. And I have my Tata pillow over here and Cookie. And of course I'm wearing my BT21 hoodie and my Tata scrunchie. So let's get on with the unboxing. So there are 7 of them. So there is Kim Namjoon, RM, Kim Seokjin, Jin, Min Yoongi, Suga, Jung Ha-seok, which is J-Hope, Park Jimin, which is Jimin, Kim Taehyun, which is V, and Jungkook, which is Jungkook. So let's just open them one by one. So when you buy a BTS Funko Pop, this is what it looks like. So we got Jimin over here. He's number 1. And then at the back, it has all 7 of them. So number 1 is Jimin, number 2 is J-Hope, number 3 is Suga, number 4 is Jin, and then number 5 is Jungkook, number 6 is RM, and last but not least, 7th is V. So at the side of their box, you can see what the Funko Pop looks like, and yeah, like the face of the Funko Pop and the Funko Pop itself. So yeah, let's just open this. So Jimin, I actually bought him back in the States. I found him in one of the stores that sold Funko Pops. And everybody else, I found them here in Manila. It was actually really hard to find them in the States for some reason. I expected it to be easier there than here, but I guess I was wrong. So here is, oh, look at Jimin, he's so cute. He's so cute. He has his brown hair, it's really small. And, you know, he has his little, what is this? His jacket, his hoodie. He actually isn't wearing a hoodie, it's just like hanging on his shoulders, and one of the sleeves is like off. And he's leaning to the side. He's so cute, look at it. And of course, it came with a plastic stand that goes at the bottom of his shoe, so he can stand up like so. Over there. Ta-da! Oh, he's so cute. Number 2, we have Hobie or J-Hope. It's the same. All of the characters at the back. Hobie, and yeah, it's all the same. This is so cute. Hobie, I actually found Hobie in the States as well, but I didn't get him first because I didn't know if I wanted to collect the Funko Pops or not. But then after collecting Jimin and bringing him here, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to collect them all. They're so cute. Oh, yay! So it comes with the Funko Pop and the plastic stand as well, which is over here, so you can stand up. Oh, he's so cute. His eyes have like a yellow shade around them, and his hair is black. I don't know if you can see him properly because it's so bright. There we go. There, and he's doing this little pose. It's like, I don't know, but he's so cute with his shorts and his sneakers that aren't the same. He's so cute. I love Hobie. Hobie's like the funniest member. So if Hobie is your bias or bias wrecker, then I suggest you should go get him because he's so cute. Look at him, look at him. Then 103 is Yongki or Suga. So it's the same Funko Pop, characters at the back, Yongki, and of course the number. So here they are. He's so cute. I love Yongki. I love them all. I really do. They're all so cute. His hole is, that sounds wrong. The hole for the stand is under his shoe. So cute. Look at him. Look at him. He's wearing like an Adidas tracksuit kind of. And the shade around his eyes, it's a bit darker than Jimin's. Jimin's like a light pink. His is like a darker shade of pink, or like, yeah. And he has like a flannel, an ombre flannel with his green shoes that matches his tracksuit. And he has a bracelet as well. He has 2 bracelets. And his hair is like, I don't know if this was like his purplish, reddish hair kind of, but it's so cute. It reminds me so much of Yongki because he's so small and cute. So if Yongki is your bias, you should get this one as well. Or if you love BTS in general, get them all because they're so cute. Look at that. It's the love triangle. I just noticed. The 4th one is Jin. So it's the same. He's 104. The Funko Pop photo, his name, the characters at the back, and his photo on the side. Jin's Funko Pop is probably my favorite one just because of the pose that he's doing. He's so cute. It's the cutest thing ever. So the Funko Pop and the stand as well. I'm not sure. I do believe they sell the BTS Funko Pops in a set, but I found them individually. Correct me if I'm wrong if they do sell them in a set, but I believe that they do. But here is the reason why Jin's Funko Pop is my favorite, because he's doing the finger heart. He is so cute. Oh my goodness. And he's wearing a flannel and a white shirt inside, blue shoes, and his khakis, and he has his orange hair. Jin's Funko Pop is probably my most favorite Funko Pop just because he's doing the finger heart. It is absolutely adorable. And the color around his eyes is kind of a bit like Jimin's, but very like faint. So cute! Jin's is really my favorite. The 5th one is Cookie! Cookie is my bias record. Well, they're all my bias records, but I'm such a Taehyun person. I'm a Taehyun fan, Taehyun shipper. Taehyuners, comment down below if you're a Taehyunner. So it's the same. He's number 105 if you're wondering. His name, the characters at the back, his photo, and let's just open Cookie. For those wondering, Cookie is the maknae of the group. For those who don't know what maknae is, he's the youngest of the group. He's the baby. He's literally a baby though. He is a baby. He is a baby. Baby Jungkook! Oh my god, he's so cute! He has a hoodie, kind of like a Harley Quinn thing going on over here with his shorts and his red shoes, and the tie is so cute. And his hair is almost the same as Yongki's. It's just a bit brighter. It's a brighter color of Yongki. Even his eyebrows. But this is so cute. Look at them. They're so cute. Oh my god, they're so cute. I know a lot of people love Jungkook. I know so much people are fans of Jungkook. So much people's bias is Jungkook. So If you love Jungkook very much, if you love Cookie very much, I suggest this is a must. It is the cutest thing ever. Look at him. Oh my god, it's so cute. Second to the last, we have our leader of the group, Mr. Rap Monster, Mr. RM, also known as Junie Namjoon. He's so cute. So it's the same. He's number 106, if you guys are wondering. His name. Members at the back, the picture, and the Funko Pop itself. These boxes are so cute. I'm actually like second guessing if I should put them back in their boxes. Just because I don't want them to get dirty. Oh, his hair is blonde. He's so cute. It's the same as Jimin's. He has his hoodie hanging over his shoulders and his pose is doing this. He's so cute. And then his shorts is kind of like Cookie's hoodie. It's like a 2-shade kind of thing going on, Harley Quinn. His shoes are obviously Warriors colors. He's a Warrior stan apparently. And his hair is blonde, and the shade behind his eyes, they're yellow. They're kind of like an orangey yellow color. He is so cute. Oh my god, I freaking love Namjoon. Last is my bae, my bias. Oh my goodness. Mr. Kim Taehyun. Kim, as he says. So he's number 107. A lot of people's bias is my baby, Kim Taehyun. It's okay, I'm willing to share. He's so cute. It's funny because his hair is like pink. His hair during Idol, but in Idol it's like half like pink, half blonde. But here they made it like ombre sort of. And at the front here in the photo it's pink, but then here it's not. But at the back it is. So anyway, so it's the same. He's number 107. His name, the members at the back, his photo, and the Funko Pop itself. This is so cute. He's so cute. My baby boy. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. He's like pointing. His hair is very, very unique. They really try to copy the Idol hair, but they should have parted it down the middle. I think they thought it would look weird, so they made it ombre. So it's his, I call it the Chupa Chups, however you say it. The lollipop sucker hair, because it looked like the Chupa Chups. If you don't know what I'm saying, I'm just gonna insert a photo. And he's wearing his shorts and his ankle high socks and a blazer and a tie. He's so cute. Sammie's going to jail party. Taehyun. Wait, I didn't notice that. His hair is ombre too. Goals, relationship goals, AF. Taehyun forever. Oh my gosh. Twin flames, twin freaking flames. If you're a fan of BTS, I suggest that you collect them all because they are absolutely adorable. No regrets. I spent so much money on this, but no freaking regrets. They are so cute. I actually have the dolls coming in as well, so I'm gonna do an unboxing video of that. By the way, before we end this video, question of the day is, do you like BTS? If you do like BTS, who is your bias or bias wrecker? Comment them down below. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell or that notification box so that I post every Friday. And I will see you guys in another new video next Friday. Bye!